Hey Joel, I'm playing Press the Button 4 today. And oh, bad weather. Don't like it. No. Good weather. Please be good. Good. I don't like bad weather. Please. I like good weather. No, this is bad weather. Okay, let me stand outside the cloud. No one can. Did I get a whisk? Oh, come on. I wish I could redirect lightning like Zuko, Iwo, and Aang. This lightning is dangerous. My God. What? Why am I trapped in a rock? No, this is not how it was supposed to go. I never asked for this. I'm just trapped. Yay, I got myself out. If you're ever trapped inside something, just go in first person and start moving your camera around. I promise it works. I've tried it out with like piggy build mode and stuff. What? Ooh, spooky. Come on, I gotta make it. Come on, I'm so close. Come on. Yes, I'm a winner. Now I'm a dad. Oh, no, I'm not dead. Oh, now I am. Doggone it. Reach the top. Okay. This is the one that a jerk messed me up in last time. In a recording that was canceled. Oh. I've never beat that one because it's always like lagging and glitching and flinging me all around. Ugh. Well, I'm just gonna walk around, find someone to be looking. I think those are all from promo codes. Or maybe that's Robux. What about this guy? Looking good, but not as good as me. Ow! My feet! I think I broke my legs. Oh no, it's bad weather again. Okay. This 360. You didn't see that? No, I didn't die. No one saw that. I didn't die there when Oh my God. Enter the void. Let go of your earthly tether. Oh, dang it. Oh. Nah. Now I'm dead. I choose green. I think green will win. Yay. Alright, let's go for pink. Come on, pink. I believe in you. Yeah! Let go of your earthly tether. Enter the void. Oh! Dang it, I can't do it anytime. I did it wrong! No, I need to say the word. Now I'm up here. Ugh. This rocket's the one that's super long. Okay. Ooh, rocket there. Ooh, take breaks. Ooh, doing some tight moves. Ooh, rush those rockets. Wait, if I go to their place before they spawn, I'm invincible. We're going on a trip. Watch me nay, watch me whip. It's so fun. We're going on a trip on our favorite rocket blip. Okay. We're going on a trip. Watch me nay, watch me whip. It's so fun to die. Little Einstein. Climb aboard. Cut your head off with the sword. It's so fun to die. Little fast guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go of your... Dang it! Oh wait, I can do it this time. Let's go with the enter the void. Become winds. Now fly. I'm not as good as I here. Okay, but I am as good as doing this. Who's an airbender I could just boost myself up though. Oh, that reminded me to do more Legend of Korra. We're going on a trip.
Can you get your mask ready?
Oh.
Do all this real quick.
Yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Oh, it was really short. This is going to be a part 1. Okay, I'll do part 2 later.
Are you recording?
Okay, bye.